Moda 5, with only 6,806 kilometers on the clock, suddenly broke down while being driven, despite not hitting any bumps or potholes. It appears that the back axle snapped clean off due to faulty or poor quality welding.
Got a 2014 Toyota Corolla. I thought this was a typo when it says 700,000 miles, because there's no way. Guess what? 700,000 miles? Where did you go? Now, legit though, this man traveled the whole planet like twice. Maybe even like 5 times.
Oh no!
This customer brought their vehicle in because they wanted the computer reprogrammed for a different map sensor. The technician discovered that it sounded strange when we were trying to fire it. After pulling the spark plugs and turning it over, it shot water to the ceiling. Here is what they found out after removing the head gasket.
Yeah, Aaron, you don't get freaking.
Oh my gosh!
What were they doing?
Oh, the oil hole is covered.
Yeah, they silicone the hole.
The oil hole.
They silicone.
Look, this is where the oil comes into
the water jet. It's on the intake,
folks.
Oh my god! Yeah,
all right,
run up to the Mustang dyno.
See, what is that? Oh,
we're getting to it.
What is it?
That's like paper towel. That's shop towel. They just oh man.
Oh, what is going on? This is so interesting. What? Going in.
That's quite impressive.
You buy an oil filter because you're doing an oil change, right? Brand new microguard. Still in the packaging, hasn't been opened yet, except for just to look at it. And you see this. What the?
Imagine buying a brand new Gen 3 Raptor, only for a fire hydrant to burst open, hitting the side and causing damage. Just watch how the range drops after pressing the max front defrost button on the new Volkswagen ID3.
Oh, get a battery light, brake light on. Wouldn't say. That is not loose at all. Pulley is tight.
a first for me. 2019 GMC. Transmission blew on the road, took the bell housing blew apart. Went to an authorized GM dealer. They were able to change the transmission under warranty. After the customer got it back, he brought it in for a service and said for some reason the power windows don't work, and you hit the window button and door locks lock, nothing's right. So I pulled everything apart, and these wires were cut, shorting out, because this piece of the flex plate shot through the floor and cut the harness.
It's always important to check your cabin air filter to make sure you're getting the best air quality with your heater AC. So during the oil change, it's always good to check the... Alright. No? Maybe we'll skip this one.
This happens if you run a dyno test with a car boasting 1,000 plus horsepower and equipped with standard road tires.
So how does a dealer sell a vehicle as used with a lug nut that's holding up a control arm? That's my question to you today.
These cars are not like they used to be. Check this out. Look at the state. This is a brand new part. Look at the state of this joint. What happens? That over time. This car's not even 3 years old. What the hell is this? Look at that.
I was just at the car dealership and they told me that my car needs an alignment. And I said, "What's an alignment, sir?" And he goes, "Well, basically it's like, it keeps your car going straight when like your hands aren't on the wheel or like when your hands are on the wheel." And I said, "Why would I need that done? Because in what scenario am I driving my car where my hands are not on the wheel? Like, I am the alignment." Thought he could fool me.
This is what happens when the government takes half your paycheck.
So this is the new thing in 2024 now. The brakes go in this way, and you make sure your rotors look like this, and you put them on this way. Those are piston marks. My boy put them on backwards. This is why you don't hire electricians that say they got mechanical experience.
Wow, what is that? That's a gun on the top. Wow. That is bad.
Oh no, I stalled my car. Let me get it started real quick.
If this doesn't scream, I drive a Dodge Ram, I don't know what does. Look at that. Was that 6 pieces of pipe on there? Yeah, I stole that from a job site. Built a Ram bumper.
At first impression, you might think the Fox doesn't like Ferraris, but if you think about it, this is how Foxes mark their territory. So actually, the car is theirs now.
And that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to send us your photos and videos for a chance to be featured in our next one. Thanks for watching and see you guys next time.